Hello. Today we're going to discuss some of the common electrical issues we see customers experiencing to help you avoid them. Let's jump in. First, you must use a qualified licensed electrician to connect your new building. For proper functioning of your heating and cooling system, determine if you have 208 or 240 volt as your power source, and advise your electrician that the HVAC has a dual power tap that you will need to be moved to the 208 prong if that is your supplied power voltage. If you plan to use a generator to power your office, it is critical that you use one of sufficient kilowatts to meet the office unit's load center requirements. You must have a brownout kit added to the inbound panel to prevent damage to your lights, cooling and heating unit, and anything else you have plugged in. Remember to turn everything off each night before powering off the generator, so you start unloaded at the beginning of each day. There are outlets located along the exterior of your office and in designated wet areas that are ground fault protected. All of our units are built to the latest building codes of the year they are constructed. Newer units will have LED lighting and sensors to adjust interior lighting based on motion and light from your windows. Some outlets are controlled by motion sensors and will shut off when the unit is unoccupied. These outlets are marked, and you should avoid plugging in devices that need constant power. If your lights or outlets are acting in a manner that interferes with your ability to utilize your office effectively, don't hesitate to contact our service department for assistance. Thanks for watching, and be sure to reference the service guide in your office next to the thermostat for helpful tips and the contact information for our service department.